Hello, I'm Nate. Today I'm going to show you a vending machine. It's a combination of sprial machine and locker. We print the machine to red color. It's with keyboard and a 5-inch color LCD screen. On the left side is a spiral vending machine. On the right side is with 16 locker sections. Customer is able to select they want to buy from the spiral machine or from the locker. Select the locker, enter the locker section number, click enter. Pay for the product. The locker will pop open so we can grab the product. With the locker section, enable the operator to sell some fragile product or any product that could not fit in the spiral. If you are interested in such a product, please contact us for more information. Thank you.
MINNO vending machine.